In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set slippage on Pancakeswap. Whether you're using a mobile device or a PC, I'll guide you through the process, ensuring that you can navigate the platform smoothly and adjust the slippage settings to fit your trading needs. For those of you using a mobile device, the first step is to tap on the search icon, OHA, in your web browser. Once there, type in Pancakeswap Finance and hit enter. The web page will load and you'll want to connect Pancakeswap to your digital wallet. This step is essential because without a connected wallet, you won't be able to complete any transactions. Now, if you're using a PC like I am, you can go directly to the website by entering Pancakeswap Finance into your browser's address bar. Once you've successfully connected your wallet or reached the site on your preferred device, it's time to move on to the next step. You'll want to select the tokens you wish to swap. Pancakeswap offers a variety of trading pairs, so make sure to choose the correct tokens from the drop-down menus. Once you've selected your tokens, the next thing you need to do is enter the amount you want to swap. Be precise with this, as entering the wrong amount could lead to an unsuccessful trade or more slippage than intended. Now onto the critical part of the process, adjusting the slippage tolerance. You should see an option for slippage tolerance on your screen. Click on it and you'll be presented with several options. Typically, you'll see settings for auto, 0.1%, 0.5% and 1%. These default options are fine for many transactions, but often, market conditions or specific token liquidity might require a manual adjustment. If that's the case, you can customize the slippage tolerance to suit your needs. Simply enter a desired percentage. For this example, let's say we enter 5%. This allows a bit more flexibility, but also comes with increased risk of the price moving against you during the transaction. Adjusting slippage correctly is crucial, especially during volatile market conditions. Once you've set everything up correctly, click on the Swap button. This will initiate the transaction process. Follow any remaining prompts on your screen to confirm and complete the trade. It's vital to pay close attention here and ensure everything looks correct before finalizing, as blockchain transactions are irreversible. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set slippage on Pancakeswap, enabling you to trade with more control and understanding. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.